curious. She's obviously eating something there, little, looks like a root base of a small plant she just pulled out, but mainly she's here because she's interested. She wants to see what we're about. Hey? This is the same female that was suckling that big calf earlier. You can see that big mark on the ear. Try and get out your way. Olifant. Olifant. Something I often think about, when we speak around elephants, and I've over time spent a lot of time just talking about elephants, sometimes to them, if you don't have people with you, or obviously in this case you can still hear my tone of voice, but obviously they've got incredible hearing. Ears like that, you can imagine you'd be able to hear quite well. Just make a bit of space in your way there we go, it's a bit better. And obviously they can hear our voice tones very well. I mean, they've even got sensors that they can feel vibrations through the soil or through the earth. So what we can hear and what they can hear is obviously very different worlds. Hello. Came to have a quick look there, but that's why tone of voice is very important, the way you speak while they're playing. Shake now, just to sort of wonder what we're up to. But if we were making a lot of noise now, if we were going, the engine's running and there's lots of things going on, it's a little bit disrespectful and disruptive. But if you have a nice, calm tone of voice and you speak nice and gently, I mean, I've seen that many times before. You can sit and talk for a while and eventually you'll find the elephants and they'll come and stand around you. Using your voice is important. I think it creates a certain sense of calm and obviously just the physical vibrations. One's got himself a little treat to eat. It has a huge influence on elephants. We could see her now. She came and had a look at us again. Sit for a few minutes more. There's still one or two ahead of us. They probably will come past also. And then we'll head up. There's another head shake. She's obviously a shyer elephant, the one in front of us. So quite a ways off, and she gave us that same sort of curious nod like the two other ones gave us close by. Hello. I do enjoy this. I could easily spend a lot of time with elephants, especially when you sort of just slow down to their pace. They don't need to run around and be nervous all the time. This one is going to be a little bit nervous. She's just a shyer cow. I can just see the way she moves. She might give us a bit of a head shake or something. But just the way they move, the pace that they live at, it's fantastic. Close-knit family group. You can see the young one behind her. Spending the day slowly feeding along and playing with each other a little bit. Often the young ones play with each other and even other species. Over time I've seen elephants chasing around everything from squirrels, small birds, doves and things like that up to elephants and buffalo. So it seems like they have a sort of a good laugh out in their world as well. Yeah, it's getting a bit dark out here. I think maybe what we could do, just have a quick look on the left here, is maybe just get back out and quickly go change over and then come back and try and get these guys in infrared when they're around the waterhole. Might be the best plan before it gets too dark. wean it slowly. Get it more and more used to the idea of eating for itself as well as not just suckling. It's what's been causing most of that noise during the afternoon. See there again, he wants to try. Sometimes persistence pays off. Should probably push it away again just now. Amazing to sit this close and watch it. Yeah, it's quite a sort of relatively intimate behavior if you want to start sucking. Often they do it for almost like a comfort. Right here next to us. He's busy feeding away. Looks like some acacia branches he's eating. Just out of interest again, maybe especially for you that, for those of you that are newer on Drive with us, at the moment we're using infrared lights. It is actually a light that's calling us or helping us to see a very special camera that can pick that light up. So for me, Herman on the vehicle, for instance, we're seeing exactly what you're seeing on the monitor. Looking towards it, and I can see a bit of movement. Obviously, there's still a little, but you can't actually see the elephants. Essentially, we're looking into the dark. And we can actually sense it from the behavior as well. Now, again, a lot of these animals, a lot of the elephants are very used to spotlights, same as leopard and lion. But they are, if they just sort of do their thing in the dark, or the normal light, whatever the light might be. Obviously, if it's night, it's normally dark. The little one again wants to try again. Mum still has the patience.